How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
What's your name?
My name is John.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How was your day?
It was good, thank you.
How's the weather?
It's sunny today.
What time is it?
It's 3 p.m.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
What's your last name?
Me last name is Doe.
Where do you live?
I live in Toronto.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Do you have children?
No, I don't have children.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister.
What's your favorite color?
Me favorite color is blue.
What languages do you speak?
I speak French and English.
What's your phone number?
It's 123456789.
What's your email address?
It's john@email.com.
What's your favorite food?
I love rice and chicken.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and tea.
What time do you go to school?
At 8 a.m.
How do you go to school?
I take the bus.
What do you do after school?
I relax at home.
Do you watch TV in the evening?
Sometimes.
What time do you go to bed?
At 10 p.m.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I run in the morning.
What do you do on weekends?
I visit friends and family.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I love cooking.
How much is this?
It's $10.
Can I pay in credit card?
Yes, of course.
Do you have this in another size?
Yes, we do.
Where is the nearest supermarket?
It's down the street.
Can I get a discount?
Sorry, no discounts.
Do you need a receipt?
Yes, please.
Do you accept dollars?
No, only local currency.
Is this on sale?
Yes, it's 20% off.
Can I return this item?
Yes, within 7 days.
Do you sell mobile phones?
Yes, we do.
Where is the nearest bus stop?
It's around the corner.
How can I get to the train station?
Go straight and turn left.
Is it far from here?
No, it is close.
How long does it take to get there?
About 10 minutes.
What time does the bus leave?
At 5 p.m.
Where can I buy a ticket?
At the ticket counter.
How much is the taxi to the airport?
Around $15.
Is this seat taken?
No, it's free.
Can you help me find this place?
Sure, let me check.
What's the best way to get there?
By taxi or bus.